Christmas is coming, so there's plenty of things going on here at Excel Church. That includes nativity services, Christmas Eve, so much, including the Christmas Fest, and you can bring all your family and friends along for the fun and festivities. So head to the foyer after church, grab a leaflet and a flyer with all the details on, and of course for New Year too with the crossover event. You don't want to miss out on any of it, so make sure you pick up one of those so you can stay up to date. This week is Connect Group, so make sure that you connect with yours. It's a great part of our church where we do community together, we do life together, we go deeper in the Word, and it's a big part of our pastoral network here at Excel Church. So make sure if you're not already in one, chat to one of the team and we'll look at getting you put in one. And that's all for Excel News, guys, so have a great rest of your week, whatever you might be doing.